Hey guys, welcome to this afternoon's video, and today I've got Grandad with me, and we're at Grandma and Grandad's house, and we're working on electric stuff here to work things. And we've got this
it's a base grid. It says here it's called a base grid, and on that we'll turn it the other way, and that's where we'll, I think, be putting our components on to make electrical circuits.
And now you can see. Oh me. Oh, sorry. So we've got these components to go on this plate here.
We will need some batteries once we put it together, I think, to see if it
so
works.
Now we are going to put it together on this base. And if you want to know where I got this from, I got it for my birthday a long time ago. So and get to subscribe, drop a like, and comment down below if you like this video or not.
Okay.
So
we might need to pause it there while we understand and read the instructions, do you think, or should we try and do it now? Because I don't quite know how to do it. It says here, build the circuit shown on the left by placing all the parts with a black 1 next to them on the base grid first. Okay, so we need to put one of those down. Oh, there's one there. And if you pop that down anyway, it'll clip over these.
So now we are going to use one of these here.
Okay, maybe put it across vertically. I'll cross 3. Does it go that way? Won't it go the other way? There, like that. So it goes across 3, pops down like that.
Okay, now as you can see, we've got one part done.
And then this is a 1. So see with it. See, that's the one you've got there, and that's that one. So you go cut across 2 grids, 1, 2, and put it. It must go there like that. Push that down.
And we've got another one here. There.
Install 2 AA batteries. You've got to get AA batteries in a minute. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Then we have to find switch.
A switch, yes.
Right, I think we must have that the other way around. Sorry, I did that wrong, so that goes that way like that. I'll pop it down. Okay, now connect this switch between that one and that one.
This way, like this.
Yep.
And that's like this.
No, so you're connecting those two, so bridge across there. That's it, it'll stop like that. Click, click, click.
And you click like
Then
a bridge here.
You have to get an L1. Where's an L1? Oh, lamp. Okay, so that's the lamp, I think. So connect that bridge across between those two there. With the switch, with the lamp, that's the lamp that is on the top. There it is.
And now, we've started to build it.
It's a circuit. And this is a circuit. So there's a switch there, and there's a light there. So when we press that switch, the power from those batteries will go around the circuit and should light the light. So all I need to do now, guys, is get 2 AA batteries. You keep talking to them and I'm explaining that. We're doing an electricity experiment.
So Grandad is just going to get batteries, because you need batteries to go in between these holes right here. And so now he is right in front of the camera. I mean, not right in there, but he's about on the inside of the kitchen. So we need batteries. Now we'll press this button and go. Okay, we have.
Yeah, make sure we know which way they go in, because the battery's going. If you look at the battery, you see there's a flat side and there's one with a little point on it, a little blip on the one side. So when you look on here, can you see there? You can see just on the one side of the chamber there's a spring, and that's where the flat side goes. So push the spring in the flat side. No, that one is to the way, isn't it? Is the flat side against the spring? You're right. That's it, he's in.
So if you commented down below that you think that if you commented that if you commented the flat side on the spring, yeah, you did. Good job.
Now then, let's see if it works out. Push the switch and see. We have made a powerful electric circuit.
We have made a actual electric circuit.
And I can make it look a bit like this. Turn off the light.
Watch carefully. You see what's like. Watch carefully.
That's on.
Off. On.
Click it on and click it off. We do it again. Right, so just click it once and take your finger off. Does it stay on? No. And that's the power is coming from the batteries. It's going around through the switch and lighting up.
So the reason why you have to keep your finger on is because I feel the power will just stop. Your finger makes the power go round. Because if you let it go, it won't power up. Nothing can control it. But the finger can't. That's why the button is there.
Now, that was a system, an electric circuit which made the light come on. This is a fan. We can convert this electrical circuit so that instead of making that light come on, we can make this fan turn around. So to do this, we have to take off that one. That's it. And we have to replace it.
Which one did this go in?
It goes in up by there. And we have to replace it now with one of those, which is,
and we have got the box beside Grandad. So yeah, and we're in the kitchen. So.
Okay, which one? Come off? No, it doesn't. This is a bit tricky. Have we got the right part here? There it is. There it is. So, make sure the batteries are in the right way. Now this in here is a small motor. So this is our electric motor. You can just see the silver cylinder inside there. It's quite heavy. Feel that getting quite heavy, isn't it? Because it's an electric motor in there, and an electric motor needs electricity to run. And what do you think is going to happen when the electricity goes through the wires and into the motor? Well, let's find out, shall we? Let's find out by clipping that just gently on top. Actually, if you connect that on there first, and there, quite a tough one, this one. That's it, that's got a connection. And we've got positive there. Now if we balance that on there, now I wonder, whoa, what do you think of that? Now that's a powerful, and I can feel the air coming from it. It's got a fan. That's because the power is going from the battery. I'll just tilt it over so you can see. And Gethin turns it off, it goes off, and when he pushes a switch, it completes the circuit, and the power goes from the battery around into the electric motor, and turns the spindle, turns the rod or the axle in the motor, which turns the fan. So that is 2 electric circuits that we've made for you today. Well, I think we better read the other one. It's quite a long one, so we might need to fix the next one up.
So, wait, can we ask my calendar?
Well, tell you what we can do. We can carry on. Tell you what we can do. Just one small variation, because both the lamp, the light worked on the power from the batteries, and this fan did. Let's see if we can connect both the light and the fan. Okay. So if you'd like to stop that thing, and then we can take the fan off. Okay, and then we'll put it back on in a minute. I'll disconnect that one. I'll disconnect this one too. Then I'm going to replace this simple circuit with the lamp. So we'll put the lamp back on. It's a bit too far over actually. Sorry, there, isn't it? Push that one down. Put the switch across those 2 nodes. Wait, now you're missing it there. That's it. Quite a technical piece of work this is. That's it. And then if we put push that to that side. Now if you want to put the fan back on, the fan back on there, you can see how it only fits a certain way. You have to twist it around till it clicks in. That's it. Now see if, wait a minute, wait a minute, let's put the light off and see if both of them are going to work. Wait for it. Go, look at that. Now we have both the fan and the light working at the same time. Now if you notice, the light isn't quite so bright this time, is it? Wonder why? Why do you think the light isn't quite so bright this time? Well, because this time we've got the same 2 batteries have to run both the electric motor and the light.
Yeah,
so it needs more power.
So it can't control both of them, but it can't control both of them exactly at the same time. That's why it's not as bright. Because
not quite as much power to share the power.
Because we're using not quite enough power to share it.
Yes, have to share the power that they've got in the battery there.
And this whole bit, but they don't have enough batteries to put in here. We can only use 2 batteries for 2 things, and those batteries are using up most on this fan, but it's using and the last piece on this light.
That's it. It's got grooves that are careful. That's it. Nice and gentle. Twist it maybe. And it's getting slower and slower as we're using up the battery power, I expect. Okay, and that's our lesson for today. We'll do another one then. These are big longer ones.
Pardon?
And we can do another one later because we've got different kinds of switches and lots of different circuits that we can do.
Can we do another one after we end this video?
Yeah. So.
And thanks guys for watching today's video, and watch the next video that we're gonna do today. Say bye, Grandad.
Bye, Grandad.
To them.
Go, bye. Yeah, bye.
1,